Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to remove background noise using Filmora. If you want to remove the background noise from a video you are currently editing and want to make it sound clean, this video is for you. So first, open the Filmora app on your mobile device, then select the video where you want to remove the background noise. After you've selected the video, tap on it. Then you'll see many options on the bottom. Simply go ahead and swipe until you see an option called Noise Reduction. Tap on it. Then you'll see a pop-up called, after you press on it, you'll see an option called Noise Reduction Succeed, and this will help you reduce your noise from your video you are editing. And this is it. Now you guys know how to remove background noise in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.